Question was posted last year, June, nung wala pang internship yung ating bookkeeping or financial virtual assistant class. But the great news is, si Mami Ladi nagawa niya ng paraan. So, meron na tayong internship ngayon. And, eto pa, kumapit kasi. Since si Mami Ladi, financial virtual assistant siya for local and international clients, natatap pareho yon. Paano nga ba yung pag dito sa Pinas yung client mo? Paano pagka nasa ibang bansa yung client mo? So, our financial virtual assistant class now have internship. Ilang buwan na rin to na running na may internship siya. But guys, just a heads up ha, yung amin po ay mentorship program. Hindi po siya yung bastang training. So, ano nga ba yung difference niya? Ito yung mga nabago at nasa transition phase pa lang kami ngayon. So, pagpasok mo, kung wari, gusto mo na mag-join, sure na sure ka na. Para mag-join sa class, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, it will open our community gig hub. So, live mentorship, hanapin nyo lang 999 Financial Bookkeeping Level 3 with Internship. Actually, tatanggalin na rin yung Level 3. So, Financial Virtual Assistant with Internship. I-click mo lang yon pagkatapos makikita mo na yung form. Para makapag-register, i-click nyo lang yung form. If you fill out nyo, isasend nyo yung payment. Pagkatapos, it'll take us about 2 to 3 business days to validate yung payment ninyo. After that, you will receive an email about logging in and creating an account sa ating online onboarding na course. So, online to, you just have to take a short course para alam mo kung paano nga ba yung process ng pinakang mentorship. After mong ma-complete yung onboarding na yun, meron naman dong instructions kung saan ka mag-i-email to let us know na halfway through ka na dun sa onboarding. Pagkatapos, makakasama ka na sa kasunod na schedule na live class. So, for example, for Financial Virtual Assistant, May 11 yung next class. 8 hours yung class na to, 1 till 9 p.m. After nun, meron kayong 2 weeks na internship. So, kapag nasubmit mo na everything for internship, na kumpleto mo na yung kumbaga pinakang training for industry knowledge mo, magkakaroon naman tayo ng application book session. Hybrid to. Online na module at saka live na module. So, after nun, magsasubmit ka ng final activity, mock interview, and then certification. And everything is included na dun sa fee na 999 peso. I want to make sure na i-highlight na what sets us apart is this is not just your regular VA training center. We're actually a mentorship program where the mentorship starts as early as filling out that form. Kasi may mga nakakaisip na, uy, parang gusto kong maging freelancer pagkatapos hindi nagbabasa kahit yung mismong form man lang. Pagkatapos, pag nandun na sa mismong training, parang lost na lost sila. Alam mo yung kung saan-saan sila tatanong paano ba yung ganito, paano po yung ganito, bakit hindi pa ako nakakakuha ng certificate and all. Una sa lahat, yung certificate namin, dapat meron yung kasabayan na certificate ng QuickBooks man lang. Or, alam mo yun, yung mga ganong platform na mas mahalaga. I think we need to start filtering out yung mga tao na gusto laang is kumita kaagad ng malaki dahil nabalitaan nilang malaki kaagad yung kita sa freelancing. No, it's a process. So we want to make sure na ang aming mga mentees ay handang-handa sa buhay. Anyway, if you guys want to join, napakita ko naman na kung paano mag-join. I hope I was able to answer all of the questions tungkol sa process namin. I'll talk more about this later on. But for now, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!